Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Swift SZ-T, finished in blue metallic. The vehicle's had just one owner from new. You get the 16-inch alloy wheels with the SZT model. Looked over bodywork, paintwork, the alloys, all unblemished. This vehicle really is in excellent condition. The SZT has plenty of great features. If we take a look inside, you've got this 7-inch colour touchscreen. This allows you to connect your mobile device, use Google Maps as well as other apps. You've got DAB digital radio and music streaming from your mobile device. Voice command for hands-free as you're driving. Also features reversing camera. Here you can see you've got a wide-angle lens with guidelines. Climate control with air conditioning, and then handy storage with mobile charging point. Steering wheel also has integrated controls for your Bluetooth and audio. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. We take a look in the rear. You have 3 seats, plenty of space, good leg room. So we move round, you've got the rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides, which ties in particularly nicely with the paintwork. This Swift features the 1-litre Boosterjet engine, which is known for its great fuel efficiency and reliability. And before leaving, the vehicle will be serviced by our factory trained technicians.